In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your website on Wix after it's finished and ready for the world to see. Whether you're showcasing your portfolio, launching a new product, or simply wanting to create a space online for visitors to learn more about you or your business, it all comes down to sharing your completed site. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to the Wix dashboard. This is your control center, where you manage everything related to your website, from editing content to monitoring visitor statistics. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll need to select the site you want to share. If you have multiple sites, make sure you choose the one that's ready to go live. Now, it's time to finalize those last-minute tweaks in the Wix editor. This is where you can make adjustments to the design, layout, and content of your site. Double-check that everything looks just the way you want it, because once it's published, your site will be out in the world. Make sure the elements on each page are aligned properly. Images and links are all working, and any text is error-free. Taking the time to review your site thoroughly helps ensure that your visitors have a smooth and enjoyable experience. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, the next step is to publish your site. In the Wix editor, you'll find an option to publish, typically located at the top right of your screen. By clicking this button, you'll be launching your site online. Keep in mind that it might take a moment for all the changes to upload, so be patient while Wix processes this information. Once your site is successfully published, you'll receive a URL that is generated based on the name you've chosen for your site and the Wix plan you're on. This URL is crucial as it's the link you'll share with your audience. You'll be able to find this URL in your Wix dashboard under the site you just published, but it's also often displayed at the top of the screen once publishing is complete. Copy this URL carefully. Remember, every bit of text is important, as it will lead directly to what you've worked so hard to create. Once you have copied it, you can now share it with prospective visitors. You can send it via email, post it on social media, or include it in print materials, anywhere you want your audience to easily access your site. And that's it. Now, people from all over can view your site. Good luck with your online presence, and thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful in getting your Wix site published and shared with your audience.